downloaded guitar tablature in TG4 format and need to view or play it? These are tablature files from the popular open-source TuxGuitar application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and play these TuxGuitar 4 tablature files. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small TG4 errors. Take a shortcut and download now. A user encountering a TG4 file is typically a musician, often a guitarist, looking to open a musical score or tablature. This file was created in TuxGuitar, a popular open-source tablature editor. It contains notation for multiple instruments, including notes, chords, rhythm, and tempo information for practice or composition. The TG4 format is a structured binary file, essentially a container for musical score data. It is designed to efficiently store multiple instrument tracks, time signatures, and various musical notations. This compact binary structure allows for complex compositions to be saved and shared easily among musicians online. For viewing and interaction, TG4 is most commonly opened via TuxGuitar from TuxGuitar Community. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows gives only a basic outline, so complete interpretation requires compatible tools. The first action is to find a compatible app. Right-click your TG4 file and click Open With. Test TuxGuitar if available. If it is unavailable, choose another program. We need to find the specific decoder. If you are still having trouble opening the TG4 file, do not worry. The file is forcing our hand. We're going to challenge it by testing these common failure scenarios right now. First, opening in TuxGuitar. Download TuxGuitar free from the official website and install it on Windows, macOS, or Linux. Launch TuxGuitar and use File then Open to load the TG4 file. The application displays tablature and standard notation with playback controls allowing you to hear the song and study the guitar parts. Next, exporting to other formats. Within TuxGuitar, export TG4 files to other formats like Guitar Pro, GP5, GPX MIDI, PDF, or ASCII tablature. Use File then Export and select your desired format. This enables sharing with users of Guitar Pro or other tablature applications and creating printable sheet music versions. Finally, using Guitar Pro. Guitar Pro 7 and 8 from Aerobus Music can import TG4 files through its File Open dialog. Guitar Pro provides enhanced playback with realistic guitar sounds, advanced notation tools, and learning features. This is a paid alternative offering professional-grade tablature creation and music education capabilities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.